one then. The next set of problems.
So
So the next set of problems that I said to attempt only after 3 and
so do people get trouble with these questions on page 3 and 7?
Actually, one, two,
It's
because
going
I
up now. People got trouble. Just let me know now, please.
one.
So
please look at one
I
and
don't know
two.
if I
So let's have a look.
Advanced 387.
In these questions, question 1 and 2.
By 387, I'm talking about these columns.
Plug in
So
4.
3 and 5.
Which
So I
one
should
is
get
the
these
plug in
ones.
4?
You should be
right is better than this number.
So
when you plug in 4, what do you get?
No issue with the questions, however, in
This is the problem, right? Because 2 root of 4 is not a nice number.
that they match in the answers, I believe.
So let's start.
4.
Yes, let's start to those. Maybe the back of the book is
one.
sometimes there's
We can
some.
summarize.
Right. So which ones it was? Thanks a lot. Appreciate
Let me just
it.
which ones you want me to
And
do?
5.
Alright, which ones you want me to do?
5A and 5E.
C.
Yeah.
C as
When we
in
integrated this
A and
thing,
C,
which ones
correct.
you want me to do?
Any
Johnson.
child.
So what you do is you add 1 to the power.
So let's leave it 5A.
Minus 2 is
Yes.
plus 1.
No,
is
I
one.
was just saying.
X to the 1 to divide by 1. 2E. This becomes 3 cube root x. Integrate from 1 to 4. So when you plug in 4, the cube root of 4 is not an integer. Alright? And so you're going to get something decimal for this. X cubed minus 1. And then you
2x plus 1 squared, integral between 0 and 1
is 1.
So integral between 0 and 1.
Really the next step is to
2x
plug in your calculator
plus 1
and get
squared.
answer correctly 3 significant figures. Integral, which
X
cubed minus 1. I will leave this for you and so on to do. I don't know what the answers are now. I don't know if they are. Before you go ahead and start trying to integrate. So to integrate this, remember what you have to write is what we said last year, right? What is the other one? And I'll be recapping I have to write only one in this session, right? So integral of ax is b to the n, right? Dx, because you can't go and integrate the top and bottom and things. So first of all, x cubed on x squared is x, and minus 1 on x squared is minus x plus 1.
So 5C.
That is what I do. I start by,
of course,
if you're going to do by function,
by dividing out the
I did finish at the beginning. So what I would do is a
definite
integral. The integral of x,
I think
x
somebody
squared
said
over
they had trouble.
we don't have to use the plus c. So all we have to do now is just go and minus x to this is going to be 2x plus 1 minus
The
x to
answer
the
was
add the
wrong
power
for
of something
5C.
like x to
Yeah,
the
2
minus
is wrong, I think, for 5C. I don't know where I have it.
So
I don't think I did it here.
all divided by
I'm sorry.
3 times
Yeah,
a, which
okay.
is 6, right? And then I put these little brackets like that. So and I put a 0
I will
and
save
a 1,
this
and then I
something and I will send these
now
substitute
this becomes
scribblings
plus
on
1 and
x.
so when you started to
So that
substitute,
people
what will you
who
get?
get
Well, reasons
need to
substituting,
very
you're
untidy,
going to
otherwise
get
oh, it's entirely
in the
because
first
I'm
instance, you
just
start
basically
with
on
the
a
upper
whiteboard.
limit. Now,
Alright.
I plug in the upper limit, what do you get?
Plug in.
Well, plug in 1, so next that's 2 by 1 plus 3.
That gives
3. Which one do you want me to do?
Is 9 on.
If you go back to the other image, number 1 and 2. Evaluate each definite
Right,
integral.
guys, remember, when you plug in 1, this x becomes 1. So 2 and 1 is 3. 3 cubed, 3 3 9 3 27 and 6.
And then you subtract.
And you
plug in 0.
Then you simply
2 by 0
0
is 0.
You see, if you don't look at it, then you don't know.
So 4 cubed is 1 minus 2 plus 1 third.
Because remember, you have to be able to
get
integrate the
26
thing
over
over
6.
Alright.
If I
Even if it's a multiple choice, it's example 2 and have to be
9 over 2
Okay,
minus
so
1 over 2 is equal to 2, which is 4. So that is how you've done E. Alright, 5. But I don't know what the back of it had.
The idea is
just check it.
Whatever the case may be, you have to be able to do the integral.
Alright. I'm just going to do 4 minus 1 is 3. So I get 3 and 1.
The answer I got for 5A.
Can I? And they have 1. Well,
10 on 3.
Can I work like they made
10 on 3.
2. I think I would have 10 on 3. They made an error for you to check it.
Oh, yes. Set of answers. Yeah, sure. In any event, you all know you have to make a substitute. Alright. And the next one is part C. I send the right answer. You asked integral from 0 to 1. No, I did not send the right answer. 3x minus 1 squared. Integral from minus 2 to 0. Y cubed minus y. There's no problem.
So I have 2 minutes.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
I'll send the right
answer.
answer.
Minus 1
And
I'm sorry.
Nobody
One I says,
I didn't
I
send the right
think the
answer.
question nobody said the question for
I was just confused.
3 all over 3 by 3, which is 9 from negative 2 to 0. And it's going to
Who
be
said it was
0 and
confused?
1. Y cubed.
When I saw the
When
two
you
sets
plug
of
in
number
one,
ones and twos, right,
3 by
I
1
figured
is
out that
1.
it was answers on the second one,
minus
but it
1
was
is
too
2.
late because I was
2 cubed
actually doing it last night to answer.
Oh, it's too late to say
Zero.
anything. Alright, it's no problem. It's no
Y4.
problem. It's just I sent double check here.
Yeah.
Check all these. Okay.
And
The
it's
question
Y.
1 and 2 I sent here. This is 1 and 2 for the form false.
Plus
So I'm
6
sorry about
So,
that.
can you do number
So what is
1F?
this? Plug in
This is
minus
1F,
2 and
yes, that's
0. Not in that order. Plug in 0 first of
So
all.
1F,
When you plug in
what
0
is it
first of all,
telling?
everything
1.
drops to 0.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes, yes.
So
yes,
you said
because everything
1F,
has
and
Y,
that
and
is
you are
integrating.
correct.
For what?
Thanks for
Cube
correcting.
root x from 1 to
minus
0.
No problem.
Yes, it's going to be.
Minus 2 to the power of 4 is 16.
Don't
Minus
know
4 is
anything at
4.
all.
I'm sending the wrong answer.
Why 2
said
squared
so.
is because
4
these
and 2
answers
is
don't make
like
any
you
sense.
said.
When we
No,
substituted
but
0
6
in minus
two
2,
minus
what you would get is 0 minus 1 all cubed. And minus 1 cubed is minus 1.
12.
Yes?
So what I have,
yes.
okay, so
My apologies. So effectively,
4 minus 2 is
you're going to get your answer to be 1.
2 minus
Because
12 is how
8
to
and
integrate
1
first of
is
all
9 and minus
Alamanders.
10.
First of all,
Okay.
Alamanders, you have to write it in
I
I don't know what the answers have in the back.
X
You
to
could
the
check
1
again because x to the
this
cube root
said,
x is x to the 1 third. So you write it like that first of all.
And I got that answer.
And then
minus minus
x
10.
to the 1 third, which
Okay,
is going to
cool.
give me
Add
10
1
as
to
my
the power.
result. They have 2. I don't know how
Come
they
over
have 2, but
Right?
yeah. Okay. So
Divide by
those
the
were the
new
two
power.
questions that Brianna said.
Divide by
So
she
yeah.
wasn't able
So
to,
this integral is
pick out
actually from 3 and 5. From minus 2 to 0.
From
of
questions
this
3
guy.
and 5, which one else give
Then
then
I'm
10
going to
is
get
the
x
answer,
to the
alright?
4.
So I see we have less than a minute, and you know how it works.
So we're
Stress.
going to just sign out. Okay.
And
I'll just send the link again on the email on the thing. And I'll figure out how to streamline this process. I think there's easier way to streamline this process. D and E.
So question 5, right? Or question
You'll
3.
log back in and just
Plug
get 1.
When you plug in
Right.
E,
D and E. So let's look at
really the
D and
last.
E. When you plug in 8, what you
0
get?
to minus 5. Well, what is root of 1 minus 3x?
Sure, I said
0
I'll
to
jump in
minus
the
5
calculator,
root of
but
1 minus 3x.
cube root of 8 is 2. 2 to the power 4 is
Sorry,
16. So 3/4 of 16. Yeah, so what I can get is 3/4. I can take this out and I could have it like this 3/4. And this is going to be 16. No, I'm writing it in
1 to the power of 4 is 1.
because it's given. It's supposed
So
to
this
be
is
like
15 by 3.
minus 5 to 0.
45 on 4.
All right.
Okay. You're supposed to get 45 on 4 for your answer.
Root of 1 minus 3.
All right. Okay. Next question, people.
So what is this? This is integral from minus 5 to
Just
0. Write it in a
the
form that you
2f.
can integrate first of all.
2f,
So 1
yes,
minus
2f,
3x
no
to the power
problem.
of a half. Integral from 1 to 9.
All right. Yeah, I will send you answers for this after the
you
class.
just do the integration.
You will still
You
have
do the
time
integration. What do you
to
get? You get 1 minus 3x.
do them over again or whatever it
To the
is you
power
want to
of
do.
root x minus 3 on
Half
root x
plus
from
1
1
to
to
9.
2.
Root x minus 3 on root x.
The bottom
right?
is 3 on 2 times minus 3 times that, right? Integral from 1 to 9, 0 minus 5 of
And
root of x.
really, if you look at the bottom, you get
minus
minus 9 on 2.
root
So this
of
becomes
x.
minus 2 on 9.
I just put
Times-
times in brackets too.
Okay.
1 minus 3x. Any suggestions how to begin this?
To the power of 3 on 1
to
is suggest.
What's the first thing I should do?
Obviously,
Which
the
is
first thing
really
you have to do is
minus
rewrite the
5
integrand
and
right?
0. First thing you have to do is rewrite
Now,
the integrand. You
the
can't
issue
leave the
that some of you
integrand in
may
that
have now
form
is
here and expect to integrate to look
evaluating
like
this.
that.
Okay. So, any suggestions? Well,
What is the best way
I
to
guess-
evaluate this?
Well, the best way to evaluate this,
Said the
well,
answer,
the
right?
easiest way is some of you stick
You
it
have
in
to
the
divide it
calculator and
out.
get your business.
So
all right?
divide out everything by
But-
root x. So root x on root x is 1.
Really,
Minus
what I'd
3
like to do is
over
really
root x.
write the thing in a suitable form.
Now,
What it
3
is
over
is
root
this.
x
1 minus 3x. Or
is the same as 3 over x to the half, which is the same as 3x to the
So-
minus a half. So this is 3
This is really what it means.
to the minus a half.
So when you substitute values and so on, you are able to substitute and do the arithmetic without going into a calculator. Because other than that, if I say something is to the power of 1.5, you can't evaluate power of
do the integration.
1.5 in your mind.
Let's
What you
do the
can do
integration.
mentally or even quickly
What would
on
you get?
paper is square, cube,
Integral
square
of
root, cube
1.
root,
What's the integral of 1?
take to the power of 4, 5, all these kind of things. But when we're talking about
What's the integral of minus 3x to the
fractional
minus a half?
powers or
Minus 3.
powers
Add
that
1 to the
are
power, so you get x
rational,
minus a half
then you
plus
have an
1
issue.
half.
All right. So
Divide by the
this is
new power,
why
so divide
I would
by
write
the
it like this before trying to evaluate. But we should all be comfortable with up to here and also up to here. Now we just have to substitute.
So you're going to get x.
So you're going to get minus 2
minus,
ninths
take the,
and into.
take the half to the
let me
top,
just-
right? Or you divide by a half,
Just
sorry.
make
So then you
that
get
okay.
6,
Yeah, so minus
x to the
2
half,
ninths
which is really
into-
6 root x.
When we plug in 0,
And then you can plug in.
1 minus 3 by 0, 1 minus 0,
When you
1
plug
cube
in
is
9,
1,
what do
so
you
you get
get?
1. Take away.
You're gonna get
Then you plug in
9,
minus
take
5.
away 6 root 9.
So
Root 9
minus
is 3.
5 by minus 3
6 by
is
3.
15.
18.
15 plus 1 is 16.
Take away. When you plug in 1, you get
Square root
1
of
minus
16,
6.
I could say square root of 16 is 4, and 4 cubed. So 9 minus 18 is what? 64. Minus 9. Minus, okay, 1 minus 6 is minus because plugging in minus 5 inside of here, I'm getting minus 9 add 5, minus 4, 16, all right?
So if you went ahead and said 16 cubed and then take the square root, you're supposed to get the same thing. 64. All right. F. So 1 minus 64 is minus 63. And I go on new page. So you're gonna get minus 63. Okay. So minus 2 nines by minus 63. So 63 by 2 is 120. Yeah. Okay, so next one, people. Minus and minus is a plus, yeah. So what I would get is this here. Excellent. Talk to me. So 126 on 9, and now maybe you can simplify again. If you go 3 into the top, it's 42. I'm asking about the next one that you want me to do, right? That's what I'm asking. 29, 3, and now what is 42 on 12? 3 into this, you get 14. Okay, so I'm getting 14 as my answer. Okay,
so
again,
I can
don't assume video
but
all right.
Is it possible I could do 3B if you do it already?
Yes, so this is how we did 3B. This is from the last exercise, no problem. Yeah, of course, without using calculator, which I would suggest that some people make sure you understand how this is what you get for your answer. 3B. 3B is people, so this is 5D. So how come you come late? After 5D, we are moving on to, I think the other one you said was E. All right. And E, so okay. E was integral of x to the 1/3 from minus 8 to minus 1. 2/3 to 4/3. All right. So 5E, just getting used to this thing still. This is 3B. The integral from 2/3 to 1/3 from minus 8 to minus 1. Minus 8 to minus 1 of 3x minus 4 cubed. 3x minus 4. Yeah. Okay, how to do this? Well, x to the 1/3. And this is add 1 to the power. If you integrate one time, 3x divided by the new power to the power of 4 over, and you're going to get minus 8, but of course by 3. And then this is going to be 2. And then you substitute. But I think but before we what is probably the issue for you and for some of you probably like 112. I'm not writing the 8. I get in trouble to write 8. 3x minus 4. I guess, yeah. To the power. What is the problem with some people is that the indices that when you see x to the 4/3, you don't know what to do. So now, I'm going to say this is take the 4/3 to the top, right? This is 3/4. X to the 4/3 is really the when I plug in the upper limit of x to the power of 4, this doesn't look like a 4. Yeah. When I plug in 4, that's what it is. It's really the cube root of x to the power of 4. 3 by 4/3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 to the power of 4 is 0. Take away. When I plug in the lower limit, what do you get? Because 2/3 by 3 is 2. If we plug in minus 1 into here now, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 to the power of 4. But when you plug in minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 4 is how much? Is 1. Positive 6. Cube root of 1 is 1. So take away minus 16 on 12, which is minus 4 on 3. Basically, what you have to do is minus 8 to the power of 4. This is my answer. And take the cube root. Negative 4/3. Or I could take the cube root of minus 8, first of all, because that is number 5, D and E. All right? Number 5, this. And this, if you look at the bottom of this, let me see how much people in here. Right? You see this? We only have 7 people. It's the same thing as this. I guess the rest of them will come if they want. Now, so the next thing, after 5, yeah, I'm waiting on people. So you just tell me which one else give trouble. So Galaxy S5, I don't know. No, you're going straight in the calculator if you plug in and it'll get the answer, but no problem. What is the cube root of minus 8? Okay, no problem, no problem. Whoever. And minus 2 to the power of 4. Trying to identify who it is. Positive 16.
Yes.
You know, 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Someone sent, so really, my answer is going to be negative 15. Andrea Lerner, times 3/4, right? So moving on to the next person. So who, okay, so not next person, but next question. Who else have a problem with any of the questions? This is your answer. B. All right. Carissa, Selena. That was B. Jared. Which is the other one you said? 3B and 3?
I got through with them.
You got through them?
Yes, so the A and the C that you did already. Sorry, Fred's answer was wrong on that. So.
Okay, but I guess you clarified it, right? Great.
Yes,
A and D was x to the minus 2. I realized there's an easy way to x to the minus 2 to actually save these writings, these boards, you know. I'll just save them and then send them so people can look over the scribblings, you know. I realize it's easy. Okay, who else I'm asking? Boyzel, which one give trouble? Yeah. Just tell me which one give trouble or which one I should do next from number 3 and 5. Add 1 to the power. Anybody else? So minus 2 to going plus 1. Selena Ali, going once, going twice. over. All right. So let's move on to the next.